Hey guys, I'm Mike, this is Chantel, and our daughter Veronica. Follow us along as we restore our vintage RV so we can take it to some amazing places in our province of Alberta.
Well, about the 10th trip back to the house to get more stuff.
What do you think? Should we use this futon piece? Or should we build something?
Alright guys, today we're going to cut some plywood and build our new bed in the back. It'll be the same kind of idea. It'll pull out and we'll have all of our electrical and heater underneath it, and a little bit of room for additional storage on the side pocket. So here's the leg that we have that came stock with the Winnebago. So we're gonna reuse that with the 3/4 inch plywood that we have, and put it in there in the groove right there. And it should just slide out and rest on the platform that's already built in there, which will be nice, good, strong, easy to stow away. Couch folds down. Should work good. It is literally freezing out here. My hands are frozen. Like beet red. All right, we are going to cut this guy.
So we decided to go with the original design of how the bed was in the Winnebago. Cheaper to do, the futon didn't quite fit the way we would like, and the plywood we got for a really good deal at our local Rona. Birch plywood is what we ended up using, 3/4 inch. Measured it out, drew a straight edge, and then followed the line for the cut.
Alright, so here's what I'm finding out. I need to cut about 1 inch off of this one, so that way the top one that slides over top of this one can slide on this rail. And this one will sink down in here and be flush. And I might drill a hole out so that way you can pick it up. Might even consider putting a piano hinge on the back. Well, we'll see. But that requires going to the store, so might have to wait. There we go. Pretty happy with the way that turned out. Looks really good. That pulls out. Just pick it up here and slide it in. Alright guys, now that I got the bed and everything done, now I can work on finishing my water lines underneath the sink. I got the fittings that I need to finish them up. Here. Oh, and never finish. That's why I said in the last video, always buy lots of these. Buy the pack because you end up using quite a few of these. These guys will go on to the sink. All hooked up. See, and this is why I say you're never done with plumbing, because I need 2 more crimps and another piece of pipe to install the toilet valve. So, buy the bigger pack. Crimper. I'll have to get a new can and paint that black, but when we go to wrap these, at least now I'll have a better idea of the colors we're working with the gray and the white. Paint that black, and then just have to wait to see what color we do the cushions. Well, I'm happy with that progress for the night. It's cold out here. Turn the heat off, save some money. And maybe work on it another day. It's supposed to warm up here in the next few weeks, so shall be good. Yeah, I got the bottom piece in. I'll have to get some lighter wood for the sides and get some trim to trim around it, and that's done. Yeah, keep plucking away at it, guys. So we'll get her done eventually. It just takes time and money. Next, make a countertop. But that'll be for another episode, so thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and follow us along on our vintage RV makeover as we take the time during this cold winter to restore it and hopefully be able to enjoy it in the summer.
Hey guys, back at it again in the hot tub. Still freezing cold outside, still in a polar vortex. However, warm skies in the horizon. It is supposed to be something like 0 or 1 degree Celsius next weekend. So super excited for that. Hope you enjoyed today's Winnebago video, and yeah, till next time, adventures.